Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Safari and going straight to the web page you want on your home screen. Make sure the page finishes loading so the icon grabs the correct title and image. If you need a specific section, scroll or open it now. This ensures the shortcut links where you expect. Once the page looks right, tap the share icon at the bottom of the screen to reveal the menu that lets you create the shortcut. You tap the share icon, then scan the share sheet options until you see Add to Home Screen. If it's hidden, swipe the action icons or tap More to enable it. Choose Add to Home Screen, then you'll see a preview allowing you to edit the shortcut name. Keep it short for a clean icon. Finally, tap Add in the top right. This places the icon on your home screen immediately so you can open the page like an app. Once added, you'll find the new icon on your home screen or in the app library. Tap it to verify it opens the correct page. If the icon appears blank or uses a generic image, reload the web page, clear Safari's cache, and repeat Add to Home Screen so it captures the right artwork. If it still misbehaves, ensure JavaScript or redirects aren't blocking previews, then try again. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.